What's up, everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to import photos and videos from your Apple iPhone or iPad to a Windows computer. Apple's iPhone and iPad devices are great for capturing pictures and videos from your everyday life. However, over time, you'll need to move those photos off of your device so they don't eat up all of your storage. Thankfully, if you've got a Windows computer, moving your photos and videos from your iPhone or iPad to your computer is easy. Now let's walk through the steps to import photos and videos from your iPhone or iPad to a Windows computer. Step 1. Connect your iPhone or iPad to your Windows computer and then launch File Explorer. Step 2. Click This PC in the menu on the left side of the screen. Options associated with your computer are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Find the Devices and Drive section and then right-click the name of your Apple iPhone or iPad to open a context menu. Step 4. Click Import Pictures and Videos in the context menu. A window pops up letting you know that your Windows computer is looking for pictures and videos on your iPhone or iPad. After this check is done, another window opens letting you know how many pictures and videos were found on your Apple device. Step 5. Click More Options. Review where your images and videos will be imported, the folder name, what file name will be used, and more. Step 6. Change any of these options you feel need to be changed and then click OK. You'll be routed back to the Import Pictures and Videos screen. Step 7. In this example, I'll choose Import All New Items Now and will then click Import. You'll see a progress bar displayed showing the status of your pictures and videos being imported from your iPhone or iPad to your Windows computer. This window will close after your pictures and videos are imported, and you can find them in the folder you chose to copy them to. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.